my review of the Gerber suspension multi-tool. We'll start out with the design here. Inspired by the bridges of Gerber's hometown, Portland, Oregon. $26.84 on Amazon right now. As you know, Amazon's prices fluctuate up and down. I like that it's spring-loaded. It has the safety plus here, it's called. That has to be released or pulled down to release any tool. Start with the pliers. We got needle nose, we got regular pliers, and wire cutters. A little test on that. We've got the Phillips head. We've got a saw that's sharp too. Large flathead. Standard blade. Some people say they don't come sharp. Well, mine did. Still is sharp. We got the serrated blade. That's sharp. We've got a bottle opener, small flathead, scissors, some of the best ones I've seen yet on any multi-tool. That's the tool itself. Here's the case. It is ballistic nylon with Velcro tabs, vertical or horizontal, whichever way you like to carry it on your belt. All in all, I think it was well worth it. I like it a lot. So hope you enjoyed the review. It has the neoprene or rubber here on the handles that makes it super comfortable to use.